Kit includes 20 milliliter vulcanizing fluid, 14 strips, 1 knurling reamer, 1 closed fork. Tire punctured by nail. Remove it. Use reXpair Reamer to stop air leaking. Apply reXpair vulcanizing fluid over Reamer. Repeat in-out 10 times. Take a strip. Stretch the strip to let it be more soft and flexible. Insert strip through fork head. Coat vulcanizing fluid on both sides. Roughen up the puncture one more time. Full fork to be inserted. Pulling it out slowly. Cut it then. Minutes later, fluid will dry soon, and double-folded strip bonded into tire permanently. Test the puncture. No bubbles. We back to rolling then.